La la la! Your fats are gone.
Hey.
Already headed south. Hey, good morning. It's your girl Andrea. Getting dressed because we got a busy day. There is 4 to 7 inches of snow in the forecast. In tonight. So we are, hauling fats out today. So you knew about that. And then we're also going to work calves. It's gonna be a busy day. And then hopefully with the snow coming, the cows want to naturally come inside because they don't want to be out in it. So we'll see. It did try to snow yesterday, just a little bit. Hi, Baze. Finishing up my breakfast on the go this morning because Dad's just getting stuff out. So if you remember, we bought those calves, some of them from my cousins, aka my aunt and uncle. So the oldest of their kids is coming up to help us sort and implant and work and all the things with calves. So we will have a little minion out hanging along. So Mom just went to go get him. In addition to working calves today, we are also going to pick out replacement heifers. So they won't be sorted or anything. They'll just get another tag. They will not get an implant because it can affect fertility. But they will be written down, decided today who we are going to attempt to keep. So pending they continue growing, make it to breeding, and do breed, they will become mamas in the herd in 2025. So that is also happening, which is why I have my computer, because we have our genetic information from the test we did on them. So we have their EPDs to help us make decisions, and we'll figure out how many we're doing, do that, all those shindigs. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. In addition to the 4 to 7 inches of snow, we are also supposed to be getting really dang cold. So we're gonna try to get everything done that we can beforehand. So that's why the rush of working calves get moved up a little bit. They're due, but if we get them done today, we would still have 3 days before it gets really cold to coax the cows in, to get them their scour boss shot. It's just one shot, that's all they need. And then we gotta sort any of the first calf heifers, anybody that potentially could calve right away in the end of February. Not even end of February, but like mid-February with them, because there was a couple that ended up with the bull a little bit earlier. They're getting kept in the barn. So we have some sorting to do and all of that. And if they don't want to come in, like, it just makes it kind of a process. But we're hoping now with the snowstorm coming in, the one good piece, I guess, is that the cows are like, I would like to be in the barn, and then we can just do what we gotta do. But they're supposed to have like single digit highs, negative highs. Woo, coming in hot. So I'm not excited, if you're wondering. Not excited at all, but not gonna lie, it's already really cold. Mom got me gloves for Christmas that I can actually use my phone, so hopefully record and get content when it's really cold without freezing my fingers off. And it's cold enough that I can, my fingers are really cold already, so even though I'm wearing gloves. So if that doesn't tell you, the air is just different. We don't know what time fat's going out, so. This is that Jersey one I was telling you. I don't really know what he is, but he got a little bit of a head tilt from having mycoplasma as a baby too. He's a bottle calf. He's not really ready to go either, so he just doesn't have finish on him. He's got the frame, but you'll just notice the difference here if I show you. And even right now you can see it. There's like no fat on his little butt compared to like these ones. You can see there's much more finish on them, is what we call it. He is not ready. 1, 2, he looks like this, so he will go to our local locker. We'll hand feed him for the next while. We'll just give him step 2 feed and then add some grain into it. Cows are fed. Dad's just finishing up this last bunk. A little bit of snow filled in some of these ruts. It's not fun to walk on yet, so cross our fingers that they come in. I think we'll potentially set it up, jump a hot wire across so we can have the slinkies open so they can come in to like the feeding alley between the continuous fence and that, and have shelter from the snow, and maybe they'll all be in there, and we'll see. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know if we'll try in the morning. I don't know what the plan is, but we gotta try. So now I gotta take this bad boy off. This is the same scale that we use with our chute to get weights and the performance beef processing it. So just gotta twist these all off and pull them all plugs out, and then this actual scale just slides out. Got her. Really fun to see what they weigh today. This will also help us make decisions on replacements as well. So yeah, because the cool part is the replacements have been in the feedlot pen with them on step 2, so you're kind of seeing a growth rate for them based on these decisions. So dandy. Okay, so I am setting up our processing for these calves. So the cool part with the performance beef as well is you can select what you're doing. So we have all of our vaccinations and such, so we did that this fall, but this time they're just getting pour-on and implants. So then I just select what it is per head next and schedule the processing for today, and then when I go on the app, it'll let me select and do the dang thing. So there we go. One done. One group done. And now we have this. Wisconsin calves are done. The next step is, oh gosh, those hooligans out there half the time because they don't all fit. Hee-haw!
See, Bradley, look how trained they are.
It's the best day of their lives.
About half, and that'll be good.
23:17 looks better. Okay, kiddos. Da, na, 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 na. Hep, 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 hep. Come on. Come on, kids. You guys are ridiculous. That's a heifer. There's a couple in here that are replacements off the tag. So replacements do not get an implant because it can affect fertility, but they are going to get a green tag so we can sort them out easier. They're written down too, but this just makes it easier in a couple of months. Yeah. Fancy will get average day of the game, and she's out. Come on, kids, let's go. Come on. Come on. Go. Dad's listening to the Jackrabbits game. Here's what it is. 7-3. Come on, babies, let's go. Hey. Come on, babes. Truck is here, so we gotta go load packs out, and then we will finish working calves. It's early again. It should be 40-41. Yeah, we can count them when they go the other way. The weird Hereford, there he is. How cute. Six more? We need six. Up, 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 up. Up. Come on, boys. Come on. Up, up, up. Shh. Up, up, up. Come on, bubs. Da 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 da! Your fats are gone.
Hey.
before the snowstorm.
Yep.
Already headed south. See you later, chunky monkeys. To Omaha they go. Hi, buds. Jackrabbits touchdown. So these are the heifers. Up, 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 up. Come on, girls. Come on, boys. One of these clearly doesn't belong. I'm putting the scale back together. I changed the base out. So all you gotta do is change the base between the weigh bar scale and the scale on the feeder wagon. So then it just has different plugins and it's the same thing, and then I just have to turn it on, change the mode, calibrate it. So it's set again to 0 and we're good to go. Jack's won, we got calves worked, we gotta move some panels now. Get everything set up so the cows can come in. Hopefully they do what we want them to. Put the other one there. All right, so we got curtain shut. Curtain down here shut. I gotta go chain gates. There's some calves yet. And it's wide open. So, see if I can get a couple started and then see what happens, I guess. All right, last 41 calves are in a pen together. These are the smallest ones yet. They did not get work today. They are not due yet. So, they're hanging out. And then, got that chained around this I-beam. So, she ain't gonna go anywhere. And then the curtain is down. There's a lot of ice in that, so it's good to get it down. It's chained. Lots of feed those cows have thrown out the cows can eat tonight. So, well, bam. Gotta shut a couple more gates. And then I think we're, Dad's still messing with the fencer, so we're not solid yet.
They're probably every single one will be there anyway.
Can't see them, but they're going. We'll leave it open for the night probably, and they're gonna have to come in when it starts snowing, because I bet you they'll be like, count me in. We'll see. And these are the steers in this pen, and the heifers are across the alley where the fat cattle were. Jersey's in the back shed by himself. And yeah, steers, bulls didn't move, nothing exciting happened for you fellas. And hopefully I got more cows going in. They might do it now that we left, so we'll see. We'll see, Nesme. Otherwise we'll try in the morning. Jersey boy, are you all by yourself? See, head tilt, kind of looks like a Jersey Brown Swiss thing, not really sure. Oops, calf, but he'll make beef. Not a cutie, all by himself, but he's got friends. Right there. Okay, green tags. Replacement heifer prospects. So you can see there's a handful and there's one over there. There's Ayla. And if they don't have a green tag, that means they're not replacement heifers. It's a wrap. The cows are not all in, so we'll see. There's some South Dakota cows that are like, it's a trap, not going in. So I'll keep you posted, but getting snow tonight, so you'll see that probably in the next video. 4 to 7 inches. We'll see if they're right or they're wrong or what happens. I don't know, but hopefully the snow drives them in. If it does, I won't even be mad because some of them are just like, I don't want to be in the barn. So all of our OG cows are in, but the purchased ones from last fall are so kind of, there's like 15 cows that are not in. So we'll let them go and they can go in and out, and hopefully the snow, they're like, I'm gonna go lay in this nice barn, but we'll see. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.